welcome back to the art room. My name is Jessica. I hope you guys are excited today because we're gonna do some gardening. I hope you guys are excited. Let's go. So I have 2 pots of soil in front of me, along with some sunflower and tomato seeds, and of course water. So you guys actually have the option to do either sunflower or tomato, but for this video, I'm gonna do both. So make sure to read the instructions before you start planting anything. Make sure to dig a shallow hole for both of the pots and place 1 seed into each pot. You only need 1. After you're done planting the seed into the soil, make sure it's tucked beneath the soil and water. You guys also have the option to label your plants if you want, but you don't have to if you don't want to. After you're done watering, you can leave them by your window and let the sunlight shine. So if you guys don't know, Martinez actually has a garden outside, and we decided to plant some sunflower seeds and some fruit and vegetables into the flower beds outside. So this is me and Bennett just cleaning up the garden and pulling out all the weeds that we can find. So these are the 2 types of sunflowers we're gonna plant. One's called Autumn Beauty and the other one's called Busy Bee. And these are the vegetables that we're gonna plant, which are so cool. So in the instructions, it recommended that the seeds be 8 inches apart. So I measured by foot because my feet are 8 inches. Again, the sunflower labels Busy Bee and Autumn Beauty. So I'm planting Busy Bee first. Remember, only put 1 seed. And then Autumn Beauty is next. I individually buried them beneath the soil and then watered them one by one. There you go. So this is me and Bennett discussing how we're gonna plant the watermelon seeds. I feel like the watermelon seeds are the most difficult, along with the carrots. But then we also planted some green beans, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, squash, and many others. And make sure all of them are watered. The soil needs to be moist at least 2 weeks before it starts growing. So make sure to water at least once a day. So this is the sunflower bed, as you guys can see. I can't wait to show you guys the progress of the sunflowers. And then this is our vegetable garden, along with fruit, of course. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Well, that's it for our video today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and follow us down on our social media below. Bye, guys.